How to edit a shortcut on Snapchat. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bipin Basant, and today I'll guide you on how you can edit a shortcut on Snapchat. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide it through quick and easy through this video. First things first, what you want to do is you want to open up your Snapchat application. Once you open it up, you should get an interface like this. You want to head into your chats by tapping on the chat icon that you can find at the bottom of the screen with various other options, right? Simply tap on it and you should get an interface like this. Now what you want to do is here you want to swipe your fingers from top to bottom on the screen. Just tap and swipe down below, and at the top you can see your chat. Here shortcuts will pop up, right? Now in order to edit a shortcut, you can see I have 3 different shortcuts here. Now to edit them, what you want to do is you want to tap on the plus icon at the top that you can see, swipe to the right and tap on plus icon. Once you tap on plus icon, you'll be able to see your shortcuts here. Simply tap on the particular shortcut that you wish to edit, and here you'll be able to edit it. You can add them, or you can remove users from the shortcut, or you can delete the shortcut by tapping on the 3 dots at the top right corner of your screen. And once you make the changes, you can simply tap on save and it'll be saved. So this way you can edit a shortcut on Snapchat. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.